Hey friends, if we encounter the shell execute X failed error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to re-register the Windows installer. Now we have a set of commands. I have shared these in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. And lastly, restart the Windows installer service. So search for services in the Windows search bar. Open services. Now scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and select start or restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.